Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will develop the front-end code to delete the record. Here, uh, first we will come to the layout where we have defined the AJAX request, and here you can view this is the delete text, and I want whenever I will press this, the specific data get deleted from the database. And for that, let me check, is there any class is bind with the delete? Yes, it's already bind. So now I need to entertain that bind class. So let's create a click listener for the class having class this, which is bind with delete. Whenever the delete class is get clicked, what we need to do, we need to get the ID of that row. And how we will get that? Press F12, and I am going to get this ID from this delete. Okay, I will say I am using jQuery, and here is the class dot, it have parent enter, so it's give me the table data. Now I need parent of table data too, it's give me the row. Now I need row child, so it's give me td, and I need the first td, so I will use eq 0. So here we have this td, and here I want to extract the data, so I will say text, and here I got the ID. Now I will utilize this ID in this click listener. I will say variable delete ID is equal. Here we will exchange this class with this keyword which have the current instance of delete. So here we get the delete. Now we need AJAX call which will send the data. So let's copy this AJAX call and place it here. This is the default save, and we have controller name as delete. Oops, copy this action listener name, paste it here, and now what we need to do, we need to send a JSON stringified data, and for that we need to create an object like this, which is available here like this, and in this we will pass did as the ID belongs to the record, and this ID is sent in the post request to our delete action listener, and then it will let us know it is working or not. Now what we need to do, we need to just execute this code on our browser. In the previous video tutorial, we have already developed the backend code in which we have see how we can entertain store procedure and delete record from that, and create the controller action in which we have defined how the action will communicate to store procedure. And now in this code we are communicating front end code which is sending the ID and unique record of each row to the store procedure by which we can delete the record. Okay. And how we can verify that? First, we will execute the table data, and we have 8 records. Okay, 8 records we have here. You can see 8 rows. Now here is the menu location. Let's open the console, so it will let us know the message done. When I will click on this, message appeared done. And now record, how many record left? So we have 7 record left. It's mean data is get deleted from the backend. And now click on this, and this, and now execute, and we have 4 record only available in the database. Now refresh it, and you will see that we have also 4 record available here. The question is here is that why not is updating the rows on the front end? Okay, so we will see this in the next video tutorial, how we can make it possible that whenever we click on delete, the row is deleted from the front end side. Right now we have developed the code to delete the menu location from the database with the help of frontend. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel to get more amazing video tutorial regarding ASP.NET development. Take care, bye bye, have fun.